Let's discuss about the subject learning and development. Topic technologies for training administration. Latest technologies are making administration of training well organized and successful. New technologies facilitate quick access to information of training which are used by the trainers in making important decisions. Technology is having a major impact on the delivery of training programs. Using technology for training requires three important aspects. The areas of collaboration are training, information technology, and top management. The survey says 24% of companies have a separate technology based training budget. 18% of companies have full time trainers who are paid from the information technology department's budget. The most frequently used technology in training is the internet, intranet, and extranet. Why the companies are making best use of new technologies, which will enable them to increase their outcome or results. The cost of new technologies over the period of time will decrease. Technology will help employees to have a better service relationship between their clients, customers, and also enable them to generate new business opportunities. It can reduce the overall cost. It allows trainers to build into training the desirable features of a learning environment. It can be delivered at any time, any place. There are three important technologies for training administration: interactive voice technology, imaging, and training software applications. Let's discuss IVR. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Technology. It uses a traditional or conventional personal computer to create an automated phone response system. Imaging, which includes scanning documents, storing them electronically, and retrieving them when the need arises. Training software applications. They are used to track information related to training administration, employee skills, employees training activities, online learning, and transfer of training. Let's discuss in detail about IVR. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. It is an automated phone system technology that allows incoming callers to access information through a voice response system of pre-recorded messages without having to speak to an agent, as well as to utilize menu options via touch-tone keypad selection or speech recognition to have their call routed to specific departments or specialists. Imaging. Digital imaging is the art of making digital images, including printed text, artwork, and photographs via a digital scanner or other imaging device. Each digital image contains a certain number of pixels or dots that are displayed on a screen. Each pixel is mapped onto a grid and stored in a specific sequence onto a computer. Each pixel has its own tonal value that determines the images or color. A computer reads these bits of information and converts them into an analog display of the image. Each digital image has its own bit depth, dynamic range, file size, file format, and compression. Therefore, digital imaging is used to create web pages, multimedia, pamphlets, visual presentations, and many more. So these are the requirements. You have local area network, wide area network, LAN and WAN. So institutions, clinics, hospitals, universities, they can use. They need imaging equipments, management and storage, displays and analysis, which is connected through internet. Therefore, these technologies have made life simple and companies are using them to make the training programs effective. Training software applications. Employee training software application track employees, profiles, and schedules training events, also manages the identification, responsibilities, authorities, training, and certification requirements. Thank you all.